Ever wondered how some people seem to get so much done in a day while others struggle to keep up? What if I told you there's a secret tool that can transform your productivity and make you more efficient than ever before? In today's video, we'll uncover how you can harness the power of artificial intelligence to supercharge your productivity. We'll explore AI tools for time management, automation, and decision-making, and show you real-world examples of how these technologies can be applied. Stay tuned as we dive deep into these topics, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech insights. Imagine having an assistant that never sleeps, constantly optimizing your schedule to make the most of every minute. AI-powered calendar apps like App Name can do just that. These tools analyze your tasks, priorities, and even your energy levels throughout the day to suggest the best times for meetings and focused work. Let's dive into how these apps work. They integrate with your email and calendar, learning your habits and preferences over time. They can identify the best times for deep work, suggest breaks when you're most likely to need them, and even reschedule meetings to avoid conflicts. Take Sarah, a project manager who started using App Name. She noticed a 30% increase in her team's on-time delivery rates just by optimizing meeting times and reducing unnecessary interruptions. For instance, her AI calendar rescheduled all her team meetings to early afternoons, the time when her team was most alert and productive. Routine tasks can eat up a significant portion of your day. AI can automate these mundane activities, giving you more time for creative and strategic work. Tools like ToolName can handle everything from sorting emails to managing social media posts. Think about the time you spend each day on repetitive tasks. With AI, you can set up workflows that take care of these automatically. For example, an AI tool can categorize your emails, respond to common queries, and even schedule your social media posts at optimal times. John, a small business owner, used AI to automate his email marketing campaigns. This not only saved him hours each week, but also increased his customer engagement by 50%. He set up a system where new customers automatically received a welcome email and follow-up messages tailored to their interests. Making informed decisions quickly is crucial in any field. AI can process vast amounts of data and provide insights that would take humans hours, if not days, to uncover. Platforms like Platform Name use machine learning to analyze trends and predict outcomes, helping you make smarter decisions faster. AI tools can analyze historical data, identify patterns, and even predict future trends. This means you can make decisions based on data-driven insights rather than gut feelings. Whether you're managing a business, trading stocks, or planning a marketing campaign, AI can provide valuable assistance. Emily, a financial analyst, used AI-driven analytics to predict market trends. This allowed her to advise clients more accurately, boosting her firm's revenue by 20%. The AI analyzed thousands of data points from market reports, news articles, and social media trends, providing Emily with actionable insights. AI is also transforming how we learn and develop new skills. Personalized learning platforms use AI to tailor educational content to individual needs and preferences. These platforms can recommend courses, articles, and videos based on your learning style and goals. By analyzing your progress and performance, AI can identify areas where you need improvement and suggest relevant resources. This personalized approach helps you learn more efficiently and effectively. Lisa, a software developer, used an AI-powered learning platform to improve her coding skills. The platform recommended courses based on her current knowledge level and learning pace, helping her master new programming languages quickly. Collaboration is key to productivity, and AI is making it easier than ever to work with others. AI-powered collaboration tools can enhance communication, streamline workflows, and ensure everyone is on the same page. For example, virtual assistants can take meeting notes, assign tasks, and send reminders. Real-time document editing tools can use AI to suggest improvements and ensure consistency. Mike's marketing team used an AI-powered collaboration tool that automatically assigned tasks based on team members' strengths and availability. This not only improved task distribution, but also reduced project completion times by 25%. Artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool that can revolutionize the way we work. By integrating AI into your daily routine, you can save time, reduce stress, and achieve more than you ever thought possible. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below with your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of AI and technology. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.